Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a digital product on Gumroad. Well, you cannot create using Gumroad right here, but you can upload your files and sell it using Gumroad. So to do that, on your dashboard, just click on New Product at the very top and select a digital product. All right, give it a name. For example, sample photo. All right, and then scroll down, give it a price. For example, $5. Scroll up again, click on Next, Customize. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and give it a description. So just go ahead and write a compelling blurb detailing exactly what files, dimensions, compatibility rules, and features are included. And then scroll down. You can change the URL right here, such as photo123. It's up to you. Now scroll down, go ahead and click on Upload Images or Videos right here for your cover. You can just upload a horizontal image, which is a 1280 by 720 pixels, featuring a 3D mockup or stylized graphic of your digital product. So just for example, I'm going to go ahead and use just this photo right here. And then for the thumbnail, if you don't know how to make a thumbnail, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out on the channel. So upload, and maybe the thumbnail would be this one. And by the way, thumbnails will be auto-generated using your cover right here. So if you don't have a thumbnail, do not worry about it. Scroll down. Now, these settings right here totally depends on you as the seller. All right. And everything right here is pretty self-explanatory as well. So once that's set up, go ahead over to Content. And here's where you would need to upload your files. Okay. Click on Upload Files, Computer Files or Dropbox files. And then just go ahead and upload the media. For example, this one again. Click on Open, wait for the upload process to finish, and this is your page is going to look like. All right, you can upload or insert a divider right here. Let's say download here. You can give it a link. All right, or insert or upload the files directly. All right, so just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, click on Save. Then publish and continue. But before you can hit on publish and continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account. So again, click on publish and continue, and you will be given a link, which you can go ahead and use to share on your Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platforms. But if you forgot to click on the copy link button, well, just go ahead over to your products right here. And as you can see, here we have it. And it's now using our URL right here, our custom URL, PHT123. And that is how you create digital product on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.